Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness too.
Right here in front of me is the second collaboration between Red Magic and Ming Dynasty, and this time it's the Red Magic 11 Pro Plus Qianxiao edition. The box immediately grabs your attention with a large transparent window that shows off the brand new Qianxiao-themed design. It gives you a preview of what's inside before you even lift the lid. Once you open it up, you'll find the usual accessories, along with a poster that's similar in material and size to the previous spring edition, almost square in shape. The first layer holds the phone itself, along with two life-size badges. They have a subtle laser-etched texture and the logo printed on the back, which gives them a premium feel. Moving to the second layer, there's a chibi-style full-body illustration of Qianxiao holding the customized phone. The black and red color combination looks fantastic, and the back design is consistent with the previous edition's overall vibe. In this layer, you'll also find a small card, a life-size character card, and a SIM ejector tool. This time, the ejector tool is made of acrylic and designed around Qianxiao's weapon. It's surprisingly detailed and feels like a collector's item rather than just a tool. The charging brick is customized too, featuring a special emoticon design along with a bit of pixel art styling, which I personally think looks really cool. It's a 120-watt charger and supports the 120-watt Super VOOC flash charge of the 11 Pro, so you're getting serious speed along with the style. There's also a magnetic phone case included. This time, it comes with a magnetic ring on the back and showcases Qianxiao's themed skin. The coverage is similar to before, basically protecting three sides while leaving room for the large side screen and shoulder buttons. The material feels almost identical to the spring edition. It's likely the same. Even the instruction manuals are customized, keeping that bold Red Magic x Ming Dynasty theme consistent. At the bottom layer, you'll find an acrylic display stand. Just like the previous spring version, it's fully acrylic, but this one needs to be assembled yourself. Mine feels slightly loose, but overall it matches the set nicely. In terms of theme, this collaboration feels different from the spring edition. The previous one leaned more toward a sporty, almost gym-style aesthetic. This time, it's fully committed to an esports vibe. From the background design on the display stand to Qianxiao's outfit, everything screams competitive gaming style. Now let's peel off the protective film from the phone. Honestly, the design really appeals to me. It's a bold, flat red finish with excellent layering, and under the light, it looks smooth and refined. Compared to the previous Size Pro Spring Custom Edition, which had an exposed frosted back panel, this one uses glass. Personally, I think that's a great upgrade. The overall customization approach is also quite different from many other collaboration phones we've seen. Instead of just slapping on a character image and flashy patterns to make it stand out, this Qianxiao edition feels cleaner and more subtle. If you're familiar with Qianxiao, you'll recognize it instantly. Even if you're not, you can clearly tell this is an iris recognition gaming phone. It keeps the signature iris elements while blending in Qianxiao's iconic features in a way that doesn't feel forced or overdone. But it's still eye-catching. The centerpiece this time is the Qianxiao skill icon placed in the middle of the Feihong water cooling engine. The entire cooling module is customized in red, perfectly matching the body color. It looks cohesive and thoughtfully designed. After powering it on, you're greeted with the customized system, as expected. The wallpaper is different from the previous collaboration. The spring edition had a dynamic, live photo-style wallpaper, while the Qianxiao version sticks to a static one. That said, compared to the earlier XS Pro, this version does introduce new wallpaper content. One small disappointment for me is that neither collaboration includes a custom boot animation, which feels like a missed opportunity. Overall, I personally prefer this Qianxiao edition. The understated yet bold design, along with the customized Feihong cooling engine, really stands out to me. Instead of placing a large character portrait on the back, they've woven Qianxiao's elements directly into Iris's design language. The result is a device that genuinely surprised me in a good way. And that wraps up today's unboxing of the Iris 11 Pro Qianxiao Custom Edition, and I'll see you in the next video.